Hi, I'd like to talk to you about a case identical to my case. In 1935, there was another Britisher called Mark Antony Bracegirdle, and he spoke up to defend the rights of the workers in Sri Lanka, and he lost the favour of the governor at the time, and a deportation order was issued against him. Now, he challenged that order in the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court overturned the decision. 85 years later, we have an absolutely identical case that's happened here. I spoke up to defend the rights of the Sri Lankan people when I saw expired chemicals being used against them, when I saw people being beaten and subject to inhumane, degrading treatment. I spoke up for the rights of the people, and I alerted the international community to what was truly happening here, which went against the government propaganda narrative at the time. The president of this country sent people to intimidate me, to confiscate my belongings, my passport, to force their way into my property, and to subsequently cancel my visa. Did my absolute best for you. And now there's a deportation order against me. I urge the right-thinking people of this country to come forward and to defend my rights, just as I defended yours. I have a valid visa until the 8th of March 2023, which was cancelled without any inquiry, which is absolutely unlawful. The difference between the Mark Antony case of 85 years ago and my case today is the Supreme Court heard his case and then overturned the decision based upon the law. This Supreme Court are doing everything they possibly can to delay my case being heard. They are fully aware of my situation. They are fully aware that I'm being hunted by CID and by immigration. They are fully aware that I have no money, that I have no passport, that I have no help. And I cannot stay here for another 6 months. They know this. They absolutely know this. They've been told this. And yet the justice has denied my case from going forward and from being heard. They've lost documents related to my case. This is the Supreme Court of the country, the court entrusted with upholding the law, the highest court in the land. If that fails, everything in this country has failed. Please, please, please come forward for me. Come forward and support me, defend my rights just as I defended yours.